The pointer indicates the miter angle that your cutoff saw's fence is set at. The pointer is attached to the saw's fence and points to the degree of angle printed on the saw's base. The pointer can be accidentally damaged. Over time, it can vibrate loose and be lost. Replacing the pointer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old pointer from the saw. The pointer is secured with a screw. I'll go ahead and unscrew it. Now install the new pointer. I'll place the pointer on the fence and secure it with the screw. Next, I'll adjust the fence back to 0 so it's 90 degrees with the blade, and I'll lock it in place. Now I need to set the pointer. I'll use a combination square to make sure the fence is square to the blade. I'll make any adjustments as needed. With the fence square to the blade, now I'll loosen the pointer, set it so it's pointed right at 0, and then I'll hold it in place as I tighten the screw. And that's how simple it is to replace the pointer on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.